The boy has a tick just right behind his ear. That white dot, hey? That's a tick. Ooh. Looks like it has more chicks around it. And that's engorged with a lot of blood, eh? Hello, my boy. He's such a very relaxed elephant bull. Behind there is one sub-adult that he's walking with. And that one seemed to be a little bit short-tempered. As he came along, he just sort of moved away on the other side of the road, and he stood his ground and he continued feeding to show that he's very relaxed. He even defecated on the ground. Watch that. It's a bit of a pile, but yeah, that comes with a price, eh? Feeding a lot, then at the end of the day you have to drop a lot as well, eh? You can imagine that. You can imagine. Such a very beautiful, cool day down south in the Kruger National Park. Found this boy on S11, currently heading north. Probably during the day they would go drink, have more grass down there, and they would scroll back again. It's such a beautiful... Oh, hello. Here's a boy. How's it, my boy? This is the boy that I said he was a little bit agitated when I came in. Hello, my boy. Now currently giving a bit of a rev to the other vehicle. Hi. What's the story, my boy? It's not really a young boy, but yeah. It's okay, my boy. Now feel safe, and you will feel very comfortable because now they're on the same side of the road, so they'll probably not feel like he's alone. I think that was the call, having to give the vehicle a rev a bit so they can quickly reverse the vehicle, and so you can have the right of way. Alright, I'll sort of be leaving these animals since there's now 2-3 vehicles. Just want to give them some space, and so they can have a better view as well. It was a nice start of the day. Beautiful day, very beautiful one. Thanks, Ellie. You boys keep safe and enjoy your food, eh? Hope to see you some other time.